And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to enable an important settings for any password recovery of your WeChat account. And this is very much important for every WeChat user. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat. So I'm going to click on here, open up my WeChat. Then after you open up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to simply click on me right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to go to account security. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on emergency contacts. Then it's going to take you right here. Here, you'll be asked to select at least 3 friends from your contact list and add them into emergency contact. This will help you if you forgot your password on your WeChat account. And this is one of the best ways to recover your WeChat account should in case you forgot your WeChat password or you have security issue on your WeChat account. These 3 friends must be someone that you can easily identify for any account recovery. For you to select any of your 3 friends, click on this plus sign right here. And this is going to pump up. Then select all the friends that you have right here. So from here, you can select at least maximum of 3 friends. So select, and I'm going to select this. I'm going to scroll down and select this. So having selected the 3 friends, next thing you need to do is to click on done right here. And you have them right here. For any account or password recovery, you can easily make use of these 3 friends to help you out. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about best way to use your WeChat account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.